Now, when I was in Lodz, my two uncles came and said, all the men, the German approaching, all the men should, the Polish army said, all the men should go in the direction of Warsaw. So we went. And then they were bombing and shooting, and we went through the towns were burning, you know, at night time. It was a horrible. You walk through the streets and buildings on both sides burning, like you felt like in a fire. And after a day or 2 days, I said to the uncles, we should go back. They said, no, they're gonna kill us. I said, whatever it is, we should go back. The planes are flying faster than we can walk. It doesn't make any sense. And I walk, and then I was in Lodz. And then they formed a ghetto. This was 39, I was there, and then it starts, you know, the beating and the brutality. And then they form a ghetto. They kicked out all the Jews from their apartments and put in the ghetto. And the ghetto is supposed to be closed April 30th, 1940. It went very fast from September, you know, 39 to, and I said, no, I don't want to be here. I have to escape. So I was, the last day, we had some from my town, a girl, and I still, you know, was the grandson of Warszawski, still on my own rights, you know. Very few Jews had that matura, had that education. So I was pretty known in my town. And she was sort of smuggling things to the ghetto, from the ghetto to my town. And she came the last of the ghetto with on one horse, a wagon and one horse. And at that time I had already the star. And I went with her. She took me out of the ghetto, and I went. And when we were going, when we were on that wagon with that horse, there were two horse buggy with two German policemen with their machine guns, and they were escorting two Jews to anything. And they were we were going in the same direction. And that Pole that I was sitting on that wagon with the star, so I was lying like that they cannot see the star, you know. And here he was going, and here the back and forth, and I thought I couldn't say anything because I was afraid, you know, that Paul, but he was such an idiot, and so to slow down, to let them go, you know. No, he was going back and forth, you know, there in the front. And at that time I thought, it's finished, but I survived, okay?